Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konashenkov tanggal 18 Juli merilis serangan senjata berbasis udara jarak jauh presisi tinggi menghancurkan batalion Brigadi Pertahanan Teritorial ke-118 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di Vitovo, wilayah Cherkasskaya, hingga 60 prajurit Ukraina, 2 peluncur roket ganda dan 4 artileri dinetralisir. Juga, lebih dari 10 peluncur roket multiple grade Ukraina dan 8 kendaraan lapis baja telah dihancurkan di dekat stasiun kereta api Udahnoye di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, kata Igor Konashenkov. Dari kubu Kiev, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 150 prajurit Rusia meninggal dalam sehari terakhir. Total 38.450 prajurit Kremlin tewas sejak awal konflik. Belum ada tanda-tanda konflik berakhir hingga hari ke-145.
High-precision air-based missiles in Konstantinovka, Donetsk People's Republic have neutralized temporary deployment point of mercenaries of so-called Ukrainian Foreign Legion. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 250 military personnel and 12 special vehicles. As a result of high-precision, long-range air-based weaponry strike on temporary deployment point of a battalion of the 118th Territorial Defense Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces in Vitovo, Cherkasskaya region, up to 60 nationalists, 2 multiple rocket launchers and 4 artillery mounts have been destroyed. More than 10 Ukrainian Grad multiple rocket launchers and 8 armored vehicles have been destroyed near Udachnoye railway station in Donetsk People's Republic. Also, 2 Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopters have been destroyed, and 2 more helicopters suffered significant damage as a result of rocket artillery strike on Ukrainian field airfield near Novy Donbass, Donetsk People's Republic. As part of counter-battery warfare, 2 batteries of Uragan multiple launch rocket systems near Protechino, 3 platoons of Grad MLRS, 14 artillery platoons of Hyacinth B howitzers and D-30 guns near Seversk, Verkhnekamenskoye, Serebryanka, Dronovka and Zvanovka, Donetsk People's Republic have been neutralized. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have hit 14 command posts, including the 28th Mechanized Brigade near Nikolaev, 60th Infantry Brigade near Nova Alexandrovka in Zaporozhye region, and 15th Battalion of the 58th Motorized Infantry Brigade in Pokrovskaya in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 286 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. 1 Buk-1 self-propelled launcher near Kramatorsk in Donetsk People's Republic, 3 depots with missile and artillery weapons, and 1 fuel depot near Nova Alexandrovka in Zaporozhye region have been destroyed. Russian air defense means have shot down 6 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Peshchanoye, Chervonaya Skol, Liptsy in Kharkov region, Korsun in Donetsk People's Republic, and Novokamenka in Kherson region. 2 shells of Uragan multiple rocket launcher have been also intercepted near Stakhanov in Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 257 Ukrainian airplanes and 142 helicopters, 1,564 unmanned aerial vehicles, 356 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,099 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 759 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,157 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,392 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.